Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Mubarak to everybody. It's a wonderful holiday in our Islamic community. So basically, if those who don't know, Ramadan is basically a time where we get closer to God, and if we fast from sunrise to sunset. So I'm sure you guys have a general idea of what Ramadan is, but I wanted to show you guys the difference between Ramadan in America and Pakistan, because this year I'll be spending half of my Ramadan in Pakistan and the other half in America. So right now I'm in Pakistan, and I just wanted to say, ever since I've moved to Pakistan, one thing I've noticed about the 3 Ramadans that I've spent here is how different it is compared to America. There's so much more unity. Every night the families get together and we do our prayer and we eat our food after being hungry all day, and you know, during the day the days are dead and school is cut short for like a few hours. You know, they even put less of a burden on the students as well. So the whole country is very on the same page, you can say. So basically, and even if I've been driving on the roads before fast is about to break, and the roads are completely empty because you know everyone is just sitting in their house or in a restaurant about to have iftar, which is basically the dinner you have whenever you're about to break your fast. So you can have iftar at home, and in Pakistan people have iftar in restaurant. Brings one dish. I invited my friends tonight for iftar, so I'll show you how that works a little bit. So probably they're going to be bringing one dish, and even all the drivers get together, they all sit in a circle on the sidewalk and they eat their food together. So it's like a really, and then after you eat you pray, so like it's a really nice peaceful time around here. In America I will show you what Ramadan is like over there, but for now this is what Pakistani Ramadan is like. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is my sweet mommy setting up basically for the iftar, even though this bichari is fasting herself, and they're all setting up. So this is what we do. So we're waiting. We got about 5 minutes left, and Sara's my only true friend because she's the only one who wants to be in my vlog. Exactly.
Don't use bad words.
True. Ramzan May. Once you use a bad word, your fast breaks actually. So you know, yeah. So. So now we hear the azan outside, which is the call to prayer. And when you hear the azan, that's when you take the khajur.
Guys, you want water, lassi or Sprite?
And take. So the fast has officially broken. Shut up, man. What do you mean I have a rosa? Don't lie.
I'm saying I haven't drank anything.
So basically this is when people do their dua before they eat food, which is basically praying before you eat, thanking God for all the blessings, and everyone is just super hungry and you know. Okay, so we all just had a giant big family iftar together, and now we did our prayers and all, and now we're just waiting on some tea, and we're just listening to music and jamming out, kind of enjoying having food in our stomachs. Yay!
Maybe. Do you have internal AC in this room?
One rule about fasting is that whenever you're traveling, or if you're old, or if you're pregnant, or if you're sick. If you're sick, then you actually don't have to fast. So see, look, we're traveling.
So
we're gonna grab some food. Be jealous. Okay, so this is basically showing you how different Ramadan is in
and
America.
Isn't it kind of funny? She's an American, I'm the one wearing shalwar kameez, and she's wearing Western clothes. Tables have turned.
The tables have turned.
But I'm reunited with my best friend. Keeping her forever in Houston.
Yeah, so basically...
So right now we are on our way. I'm taking her for an all-American experience at Cheesecake Factory. She's gonna have dinner, she's gonna wine and dine, and then we have a girls' night. In Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan!
Happy Ramadan!
From America, from Houston, Texas.
Show them, you need to show them like the view over there. He's just enjoying the nice Texas enjoying the nice Texas breeze.
Okay, so basically Ramadan in America. Well, basically I just got here literally 2 hours ago.
I'm actually really impressed by her energy level. Like, I don't know what Pakistan has done to her, but she's like come and she's like so energetic and alive and looking so beautiful. Like,
Going to the mall.
what is into this Pakistani water that I need? Like,
So basically the thing is that I was traveling, so I wasn't fasting, but I came over here and Hannah and her whole family's fasting. So basically Hannah is busy with an important dinner. When you travel, you don't have to fast, so yay me.
Exactly. And
I'm gonna go
you
eat
only-
Cheesecake Factory.
And namaz-wise too, it's only though nafil because you're traveling. See, hacks by Hannah.
Hacks by Hannah. I'm gonna link her YouTube down below.
Yeah, I've been slacking, but I think I'm gonna try to do like a get ready with me with Seher while she's visiting. We'll try to get up some videos on both our channels, and you guys can watch too.
Bye.
Bye.
So basically, iftar at UCF at graduation. People are graduating and we're sitting here eating snacks.
ये ले लो चम्मच भी है बढ़िया
Gang gang. So Ahad, can you tell me a little bit?
What? Oh, you do vlogs?
Ahad, can you tell me a little bit about Ramadan in America? Ahad and your friends.
I know almost
Talha and
Rabia.
So can you boys tell me a little bit about Ramadan in America?
it's not too bad.
It's not too bad. Terrible.
If you sleep, it's like you sleep.
This guy said it's terrible. People in Africa are starving. This guy. You have AC.
Fellow African. He's from Africa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, whoever doesn't want to be in the vlog, cover your face. Why, Monty? Put your dupatta on your face. Ugly.
Oh, my mom's a religious gal.
Imad, say hi. Oh, thank you. So we're just basically playing Ludo all the way until say this is Ahad. He just came back from uni, and he is also gonna be a medical student like me one day, inshallah, because he's a smart boy. And after Sahri, we're gonna go to the beach, and we're gonna go watch the sunrise. Maybe we'll go swimming. So we're here for Eid prayer right now, and it's men and women separated, but this is what it's like. So we have all types of people here. We have people that are converted, we have people from all over Northern Africa, people from South Asia, people from all over the world here. So you can tell it's become totally jam-packed now. Everyone is ready for prayer. So this is my first Eid not wearing makeup, but like it's okay. Yeah, same with her. This is one of my close childhood friends, Amal. And
we're in College Station, Texas, checking in. Yeah, Eid Mubarak, people.
Eid Mubarak to everyone.
Everybody. Good old College Station, small town.
Small town, but all different types of cultures here.
So many different. You got every shade in the world.
Converts.
Converts.
Converts. But anyways, Eid Mubarak everyone, thank you. Thanks for watching. So there we have it, y'all. That was kind of an idea of the difference between Ramadan and Eid in Pakistan versus America. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series. It was probably pretty boring for a lot of you guys, but it's okay. And I just hope that everyone has an amazing Eid Mubarak filled with blessings and joy and time with your family. So best of luck to everyone and take care. Eid Mubarak again. And I'm so blessed to have my sweet uncle from New York coming to visit me for this Eid. Yo, College Station.